In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Clipdrop made easy. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now open your search engine. Here, type in https://clipdrop.co. Now click on search. Here we are in. Now make sure you sign in by clicking on this human face icon on the top side. There is three things I will show you here: how to find AI tools, how to relight pictures in Clipdrop, and how to swipe face in Clipdrop. Now, to find the AI tools, click on this three line on the left side. Here are the AI tools. You can see it. Now, for the second one, which is how to relight pictures using Clipdrop. Now, click on relight. Wait for it to load. Now wait for it to initialize. Here this verification icon will come out. Click on the verification to verify you are a human. Now I've verified, so it will allow me use this AI tool. In case you meet delay while loading, switch to desktop mode if you are using smartphone. In case you try it in mobile phone and it did not open, turn your smartphone into desktop if you are using mobile phone in order for it to work perfectly. So now click on this, click, paste or drop. Click on it in order to upload the image. Now select the image you want to relight. Click on it. Now click on done. Wait for it to relight. Here is the issue: we have to log in. That's why I told you to log in at the beginning in order to use this AI tool. In order to make it this smooth and fast, you can use your Apple, your Facebook account or your Gmail. Here I will use my Gmail, which is Google. Continue with Google. Now we have signed in. Here click on download and continue if you haven't unlocked the pro version, but if you click on unlock HD mode is for the pro version. So click on download and continue if you haven't unlock or pay for the pro version. Wait for the AI to process it. Now we are in. Here is the light section. Here is where you can set the light. The down one is where you can set the light. As you can see, the AI have relight the picture. You see it. You can change the picture color by selecting anyone, by clicking on any color type you want. You see it. You see it. And also you can preview it by viewing the full version of the picture after editing it. Or now you can download it by clicking on this downloading icon. Click on download. As you can see, I've downloaded it, but I will download it again. It's already downloaded. Now, how to swipe face on Clipdrop. To swipe face on Clipdrop, click on this back arrow on the left top side. Now click on tools. Now click on swap. Here click on get started. Here click on click paste or drop a file. Here click on it. Now select the picture you want to swipe its face. Now click on done. Now click on the face to select the picture you want to change the face to. Here click on the picture. Wait for the AI to process it. As you can see, the AI have processed it. You can change the face by clicking this line facing arrow, side facing arrow. Wait for the AI to process it again. You see it. Click on it again. It will keep changing it. You see it. Now there is one thing I didn't show you guys. Now click on back. Now click on swipe face again. Click on get starting again. Here are also faces you can use, faces you can swipe. Here are also faces you can swipe with. You see it. See it. In case you don't know, Clipdrop is a AI picture editing or photo editing platform or website. That's what this Clipdrop is. That's how. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more AI tools and tech related guide. Check the description section to see the link to use this AI tool and see you on the next video. Thanks.